Hi, now in this video I'm going to show you a few chords. So we're going to start with A7. So for A7, put your first finger on the 4th string in the 2nd fret and your second finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. And then careful not to bump any of the other strings with your thumb on the back, and you can strum 5 strings. So we just don't play the 6th string. Okay, so that's A7. And then the next one is E minor. So for E minor, just have to, now you can use any fingers you like of course, but this is what I'm going to do. So on the 5th string, the 2nd fret, finger there, I'm using my middle finger, you can use your first finger, and on the string underneath it, just there, the 4th string, 2nd fret, I'm going to put my ring finger there. You can also do your 1st and 2nd fingers. I use my 2nd and 3rd fingers there. And for an E minor chord we can play all the strings, the other ones are open. Okay, so that's an E minor chord. Now the third one is a D chord. So for a D chord, first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Next finger, 2nd finger on the 1st string, first one closest to the floor, in the 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret in the 2nd string. You can play 5 strings, so we just don't play the 6th string, that's why it's got an X at the top of the diagram. But we can play the other 5 strings. Okay, so going over those again, we had A7, E minor, and D. Now for all of those chords, make sure that your hand under here isn't buzzing on the strings, particularly the E minor. I want to make sure that we're not leaning on that 1st string, and so that those notes should be good. Okay, well, there you go. So there's 3 chords: A7, E minor, and D. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you next time.